Yes.
That's a pretty good one. The tables.
The angels. Angels?
Windows?
Angels.
Oh, the angels.
I
Yeah.
don't know if they're angels. A ver.
Yeah, this bit is quite like Paris.
Yeah. It's like new. Wait, Hayden, we forgot to walk to the mermaid. No, the mermaid is like crossing the bridge again and then going that way.
I'm not that fast.
We can also take like a tram. Look, the magic rock.
I think we'll just keep walking by seeing stuff. These buildings are just all so cool. Europeans know what they're doing.
Europeans know what they're doing.
I said these Europeans knew what they were doing.
Oh,
Made these buildings.
money talks.
Yeah. Money.
You're so funny. We walk straight. Eu vou. I feel like these people are
hit
gonna
by the
run us
wall.
over.
French.
Did you?
Yeah.
I touched the statue. I just like gave it a little high five. He starts tying up and
English.
I was like,
She was like, wait, are you English?
I am. And I was just like, he's a pretty good rainbow. He's a perfect sunshine.
That's the saying of Luxembourg. Let's make it happen. Make it happen. Let's make it happen.
Luxembourg.
Okay, guys. We can continue walking.
Where are we going?
Oh, God. What did he say looking at you?
That was his. Safety down there. Going that way again.
We still have time, no? Or how long?
It is 3:47. It will take us probably about like.
How does that work?
What?
What is this like thing for?
Which one?
So like,
It's
so
a
the-
stabilizer.
It's the
Stick.
stabilizer.
oh,
So like you move it around and you can't tell.
what were you recording?
Just like everything.
Do you like meld it into one video?
Yeah. And it's my memories.
Send it on the group chat.
Okay.
Or we can make another one of those like shared album things.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Just use the one we were using. Oh, yeah, Tala left. She's like, it's too toxic to stay in this.
I almost left it when you guys went 1280. Like,
Well, look, you got Luxembourg instead. And next you'll get to...
yeah, that's so weird. And next you'll get China, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Tenderino.
Then provided completed with everything else needed. So you allow people to buy tickets, but you haven't reviewed the list. I'm not getting involved there.
Wait, she responded that.
Yeah. She responded saying,
She responded that.
yeah, saying, oh, we didn't look at the risk assessment, but we put the payment buttons up.
Why would she do that?
That was completely their fault if they have a problem. Yeah, well, people have bought the tickets now. What are you going to do?
Why would she release?
She told me to submit both of the tickets. I followed her.
When they put the payment button, they're basically saying they approved it. So I don't
Because we
understand.
can't put the payment button ourselves anyway. And we can't take it off either.
Switch. Oh, I think that's this train station. Hayden, are we going to the station? Hayden, are we going to the station?
We're just walking.
Oh, okay.
Also, we want to know what's down here, right? But it's a nice station.
Yeah, I think this is where T1 ends.
What is T1?
T1 is the
tram that we
airport.
take.
Oh.
We could head back up that direction to get, well, not necessarily now, but because we wanted to get the picture of Luxembourg City. assumed European Parliament and stuff. So, and that's on the way to the top of the other. You have to go around and go